So this is the makeup tutorial for today, and it is very colorful, very bold, very X marks the spot, very scissors, very so yeah, that's basically it. I don't have much to say. It is very good to be back making makeup tutorials. I don't know if most of you know, but I did have a baby. It's a boy and he is fine. And you know, I've been thinking, I don't think I'm going to tell a lot of girls hold my son, because you know how some men are. Once they hold a good man, they don't want to let him go, and I just don't want to be fine. No, girl, hold my baby. So yeah, so I took a break. I didn't even take a break, but new mom here, and it's a lot of work. That sleep and he's sleeping thing, oh my god, it's, I mean, I'm very happy, but I'll vlog on my Lyric Uncut channel to let you guys know what's going on. But that's why I haven't made a video in a while, and probably some of you don't realize I haven't filmed in I think 2 or 3 weeks, but I had preloaded videos set for you. So yeah, and I have some new braids in, and Natalia Simply Beautiful Jamaica on Instagram, she did my braids for me. They're really long, which is what I wanted. And yeah, I guess I'll do more updates on my Lyric Uncut channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Please enjoy this video, you guys. Yeah.
God bless you, boy, DJ. Representing. Back down. DLJ represent the Father, Christ on the water. Jesus, I don't can get your life in no order. I'm a son, go hard for the most, I'm not go easy up. Two God hold me close, me I squeeze up. Them last them well, meditation on them, dance them straight. Hear me now, be careful of why you teach I be call of the youths, them are in for your class, them there. Them last them well, meditation on them, dance them straight. Hear me now, the little youth, them against so ungodly. Some of them remember when last them pray. If them say the Lord no real, them is a moron. Me know, say you know, say me know you're so wrong. Watch it, make me not call the devil like Mr. Foreman. I mean now if you walk around only 24 man. Christ I'm a bucket thief, so me no afraid of no man. Doing this for so long, I should have be your own man. Bible inspire me, and it's not the Quran. So me no business about the weapon wine on me forehand. Father give me strength and I make me go on. Me open up me heart and me think God just like a door man. Me a soldier for Christ and me brave and me safe like the ship. Them want me number them a store on. EJ my the head and on the tail, so it's like me on the attic of them roof, me have me floor on. Hey, you want me them try to score on, but the Lord of black all of them shots, them good at things say me a pour on. Ask them way, meditation on them, dance them straight. Them all are great, so one God did them dead to the word I got them on and look like how the cops them stay. Last them way, meditation on them, dance them straight. Hey, you fit store all of your riches, them up in a heaven and no care about all of the boss them pay. You are the life you living similar to in the coffin. Think you are go so me the devil and watch you laughing. Make a change and make Christ to the muffin, cause he promise your life everlasting. Christian I pray for you and the holy for fasting. Come and see why I make your life be the offering. And the Father when you come over the other side, he will be the pedestrian crossing. You find your way, oh evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him are the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And he will help you find your way, oh evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you say that him are the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And the Bible says it's better to hear the rebuke of the wise than for a man to hear the song of fools. A fool has said in his heart there is no God. Corrupt are they, and they have done abominable iniquity. There is none that do it good. And the age I represent the most high to the fullest. God will help you find your way. Out of evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him are the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And he will help you find your way. Out of evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him are the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. God will help you find your way. Out of evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him are the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And he will help you find your way. Out of evil you fi climb your way. Jesus don't tell you so that him are the truth and the life, and him say I'm your way. And me go on fi find some in a ease up. God bless. I'm somebody I will have nothing too serious. Yeah. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Yo, so you like tell people lie. If you can't accommodate evil guy. It's easier for you see a vehicle fly. Or see a camel go through the eagle eye. I know the youths are the future so build them. No matter try sell them you build them. And you are call yourself Michael Jackson. Hope you not touch no little children. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Bleach out your face like you don't want that skin there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Your body is a temple, the Lord will live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You can't be a star and go star in another film there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. While I kick out the woman, me ask you wake him there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Fruit of the spirit, you feel be up on the limb there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. No accept no evil, that you feel a fling with. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Call yourself devil hell, you don't want to live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Do not go to hell for the sin there. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. You can't come and eyeball, you a free Mason. That fishy just like the CBS. You a walk around with a mask by your face like what you try to be Jason. You can't eyeball free Mason. That fishy like the CBS. You a walk around with a mask by your face like Jason. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Can't bother with the war and the crime. Can't bother you but mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line. You pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me own a friend want me meet my demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a disease. Can't bother for you live behind bars. Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic or me lay behind cars.
Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Yeah. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting.
bother fi live in a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little old pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I me the camper pray. Like so them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like say me like away. Can't bother for your work like a slave. Friday come and me no get a proper pay. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass and me no feel like we find another way. Can't bother for your live behind bars. We freed up the way behind bars. We try to move forward, but it's like me stuck in a traffic and me day behind cars. I say, free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. And I say all the stuff we need to be free from. Free from mental slavery. Free from all this crime and violence. Free from sin. And all these things. Know what I mean? I wanna be free. Free I need. Free I need. Free I need to be. I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Free I need to be free. Cause I wanna be free.
Hey babe, I got something I want to tell you. Personally, I know how you won't take this, but I gotta let you know that I gotta let you go.
The pain, it goes so deep when I think of what you did to me, and how I lost a part of me because I loved you. Forgiving you is the last thing on my mind. When they ask me if I'm alright, I smile, but I hate you. And I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. It takes so long for you to know, say you never want me. Although you tell me, say me a wifey, but you're in it. See, they know you're in it. I know me can't stand to see your face. All of the years for my waist, your hands run my waist, the kisses, the embrace, you're in it. See, they know you're in it, in it. I know I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. Yeah. Ooh, I need to be free.
I've been going through a lot of stuff this month, girl, and I've been feeling to break up, girl. I met this girl, she rocks my world. But I got a little crazy over you and over her, and I didn't know what to do, so I'm ending it.
Don't do this.
I'm sorry, but I'm ending it.
Don't do this to me.